Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding custom emojis to your Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'm doing this on the PC app. If you are on mobile, it will be the same steps, but the buttons might be in slightly different places. Launch Discord and enter the server you want to add emojis to. Now click the little arrow button at the top left of the screen beside the server name and then select Server Settings. Select Emoji from the left sidebar. Here is where you can upload custom emojis. Each image must be under 256 KB to upload. Select your image. Give your emoji a simple alias. Now let's go and try to use it. As you can see, a new emoji section has been created with our custom emojis. You can also post the emoji by writing the alias inside of 2 colons. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Discord tips and tricks.